Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So I've been away for a while. You might not have noticed that, but it's been like forever for me because my laptop broke, and obviously I can't edit when my laptop is broken and I can't do anything. So I didn't record, I didn't do anything. I actually did an Instagram story tutorial, so I did that in the meantime. But yeah, I got my laptop back and it's completely like fresh, so all the memory, everything that I had on my laptop is actually gone. So my laptop completely broke down. There was a software issue and it erased all 5 years of memory that I had on that laptop. So basically my laptop's pretty much brand spanking new. It's not, it's just got a new hard drive. But anyways, I'm gonna record a video today finally. I feel like I just need to get something out there. So today I'm gonna create a really quick, really simple eye makeup look with the Nip and Fab eyeshadow palette in 01 Sculpted. Now Hong actually bought this for me for my birthday, which just passed, and I keep banging on about this eyeshadow palette, and obviously she knew, so she got me this, and I literally cannot wait to get my brushes into it. So the thing as well that I'm a little bit confused with the names, because I don't really know if it's like, you know, is Cleopatra this one or is Cleopatra this one, because Cleopatra is right in the corner. So some eyeshadow palettes it's completely different. So looking at it like this, Monroe, I feel like this is going to be Monroe. So I'm going to read it as if I was looking at the eyeshadows like this. So Monroe, Monroe. That's how I'm thinking of it. I'm going to create a really simple look. I think I might use maybe 3 or 4 colours, maybe 3 mattes, 1 shimmer, and we're just going to get going with it. I just want to create a really nice, simple, easy look. Okay, I'm going to take the colour here, which I think is called Camel, because that's what it says on the back, but that's what I'm guessing. Take that. My eyes are already primed and set, so I'm just going to go in with this. This is kind of like a burnt orange, and I'm going to put this all over the eyelid. I'm going to take this colour here, which is like a dark purple. I think this is called Duchess. I'm going to start on my outer corner. These are quite pigmented, so you might not need to pick up so much. And then slightly bring that in. These are really pigmented, so I need to go back in with that camel colour and just blend out those edges just as I go along. I'm going to take that same Duchess colour and I'm going to run that under my eyes as well. I like to keep most of it on the outer corner of my lower lash line, so mostly out on the outer corner of my top and bottom of my eyes. Right, now I'm going to take the shimmer shade up here, which I believe is called Cleopatra, just on my finger. Then applying that basically to the centre, or sorry, to the inner corner, and bringing it towards the centre. Now that I've added it on, the shimmer, I feel like I want to add some more colour back into it. So again, I'm going to go back in with Duchess, and I'm just going to darken up the outer corner. I just want to add more depth to that and blend the shimmer and the matte together. Right, I'm going to add Clinique Quick Liner for the eyes. This is in Black Cherry. I'm just going to put that in the waterline. Doesn't exactly darken the waterline, but or to black, but it just gives it a little hint of purple. Then I'm going to take some highlight. This is the Revolution Pro 4K highlighter palette in gold. I'm going to take this one up here. As you can see, the palette is well loved, and I'm going to take some of that, put it on my inner corner of the eyes. It's really chunky, the glitter or the highlighter, I would say, It's quite chunky, so it looks very, very bright, and I really like that. So that's why I love using this highlighter. Some people like more finer highlighters, like the Nip and Fab highlighter powder. That one is really fine, but me, I prefer to really gleam, so I'm putting that underneath the arch of my eyebrow as well. So it just makes your eyes pop. I'm going to pop on some Superdrug Own Lash in Natural 13s. These are my absolute favourite lashes. These actually got bought for me for my birthday as well. And these, yeah. Although they're Superdrug Own brand, just look at how wispy they are. They look like Ardell wispies, and these are only like, what, £4 something? So you're getting it £2 cheaper than the actual wispies by Ardell. So, you know, save yourself some money. It's also 3 for 2 mix and match in Superdrug, so you better spend some money. Right, so while my eyelashes dry, I am going to highlight. So I'm going to use again, the same highlighter that I used before. And I'm just going to do the tops of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I'm then going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pinks Blush Palette, and I'm going to take the colour Flamingo Dance and Peony Rose. While the lashes dry, I'm just going to put some mascara on my lower lashes with the L'Oreal X Fiber Waterproof Extreme Resist. I'm going to set my face with the Revolution Pro Supreme Hold Setting Spray. Not like I'm going anywhere after this or anything. I'm going to take the NYX lip liner in Mauve, I believe. This is what it says, Mauve, right in the corner. And I'm just going to line my lips. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Life on the Dance Floor VIP Lipstick Exclusive lipstick. This was limited edition and Michaela bought this for me and I love it. Alright, so this is the final look. It is very quick, very simple. To me it's very quick, very simple. I'm used to doing maybe 2 colours, 2 mattes, 1 shimmer. I'm very quick at doing that. It's just, for me it's very simple because I'm so used to my eye shape now. Before I had no idea what the heck I was doing, but now I do my makeup pretty much every day for work, so now I have more time to, you know, play around with makeup, experiment and see if it works. If it doesn't, so be it, you know, it's always trial and error. So this is the makeup look. Again, quick, simple statement. So you've got a little bit of a bold eye, and you've got some shimmer. So even if you wanted shimmer, if you didn't want shimmer, you could always use that look without shimmer anyway, but I prefer to have mattes and shimmers. So this is the look. It's finished and it's done. Today is the 17th and this will be up today. It's going to be up today. I'm going to upload it, put it out ASAP because I just want to keep my channel updated. So this is it. And if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you do want to see anything in particular, like I've got so many palettes, I've got so many different items of makeup. If you want me to use a specific palette, like any of the ABH palettes, Hong's got all the ABH palettes and she's also got the Jaclyn Hill palette. She'll let me borrow it. So if you want me to do anything with those palettes, I can do that, no problems. Hong has no problems letting me borrow it because, you know, she says she doesn't mind letting me borrow it anyway. So yeah, that's that. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.